Hi guys, it's me Sylvia. I wanted to show you what I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Today is August 1st. So I picked up more peonies. I picked up some of the Perks visor wraps. Picked up several of these. My husband seems to like them. I got some for my brother-in-law because he also has a truck. I got these filters, coffee filters. They are from 8 to 12 cups. I got me a bag of breakfast blend. Some stirs. This was the ultimate find, the Mucinex. I got nighttime and daytime. Several years ago, I got really sick with bronchitis, and they sent me to get this, prescribed me to get this, and it was actually like almost 20 bucks. So when I heard that the Dollar Tree had it, I went on a mission to find it, and I did. I also found more of the wrap, turquoise and sky blue. I picked up some of this cocoa butter lip balm. It has SPF 15. I picked up some of these wipes for the car. It's supposed to be just like Armor All. Some doggy treats. And that is my tiny haul, guys. And today is August 1st. And again, don't forget to look for this baby right here. Guys, I can't thank you enough for watching my video, and can't wait to share with you whatever else I find. Until next time, don't forget, stay in peace, not in pieces. Ciao.